Okay, so we've made the obligatory stop at the Garden of the Gods.
It's just a drive, is that what this is?
No, it's a you park and there's like a little 1.5-mile trail through the rock formation. So I've got Ted behind me taking pictures somewhere. There he is. And we're just gonna take a quick walk through and just see a little bit of it because we got to get to Telluride. So excited about Telluride. Getting some good exercise, Kitty.
Oh yeah.
I can't walk fast enough to keep up with you. Was given to the city of Colorado Springs in 1909 by the children of Charles Eliot Perkins in fulfillment of his wish that it be forever kept free to the public. This is a great little park. It's awesome that it's free to people and the family that donated it to the city. What a great thing to do. People are obviously enjoying it here. It's probably, I would guess, the #1 thing to do on TripAdvisor. Just a guess. Glad we did this in the morning though, because oh my gosh, it's already, it's nice out, but you can feel it warming up. I think it's something like 9 o'clock. So definitely do this in the morning for sure. This big giant backpack, it's for training. I've got to get ready for my hike. It's coming up in, oh gosh, what's the date today? I don't know, it's something like 2 weeks. I can't wait. Still nervous about hiking alone though, so I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Why am I whispering? I don't know. These are not the right shoes for the situation. Look at these pretty mountains. I found Uno's. Okay, this thrift store was awesome. I got the perfect travel boots for 15 bucks. And a really cute, strange little sweater. There's my cutie. You need to find him an umbrella. Second chance thrift shop. Thrift shop. Okay. Not the real door. Maybe the real door is over here. star of my show. Dance. You can dance if you want to.